guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell because you are about to join the most amazing family on YouTube. So today we are going to be preparing special porridge made of cassava, arrowroots, and groundnuts or peanuts. Let's get started. So on to our ingredients today. We are going to be needing cassava and arrowroots or yams. You can use yam if you have yams. So we have arrowroots and cassava here, chopped or diced well. And then we're going to be needing groundnuts or peanuts. Here are my groundnuts. I've just washed them. I'm going to at least fry them for some minutes. Going to need some salt. Here's our salt. I'm just going to use a pinch of it. Then we're going to need a glass of milk. So now I'm going to cook my arrowroots and cassava. So I'm going to add in like that. And I'm going to add in some water. So I'm going to add in some water so that they can cook well. So like that. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until it is soft. In the meantime, we're going to be roasting our groundnuts. So now I'm going to roast my groundnuts. So I've already washed them. I'm just going to add them into my like that. And now I'm going to add in a pinch of salt. Like that. And now we're going to keep on stirring them while we keep on roasting. Roasting my groundnuts or peanuts for about 10 minutes now, using medium or low heat. And you need to keep on stirring so they don't burn on the lower side. And you gotta need to resist the temptation because you can finish all of them in the sphere. So I've slightly roasted them and now they are ready. So I'm going to set this aside while we wait for our cassava and arrowroot to cook. So my cassava and arrowroots have been cooked for about 20 minutes and now they have cooked well and they are soft. You can see they are soft. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer them into a bowl, into a big bowl. So turn off the heat and then I'm going to transfer them into this bowl here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind my groundnuts because I'm going to use a blender, so I don't want to overwork my blender. So I'm going to grind them like that. Of course, we're going to cover it. So I'm going to grind it. So that is okay for me because I'm going to blend it again with my porridge. Sorry. So I'm going to transfer this into a plate. So now I'm going to blend in my cassava and arrowroots so that I can make my porridge now. And I have some milk here. So we're going to put this into the blender. So that is okay. And now I'm using hot milk because I want my porridge to be hot. I'm using hot milk. So I'm going to pour in my milk. Like that. And now I'm going to blend it. I'm going to cover my blender. So now you can see my porridge is almost ready. So I'm going to add in my milk because I want it to be less thicker, like that. And now, lastly but not least, we're going to add in our powder. Then we had already grinded it. Yeah, like that. And I'm going to blend it one more time. Cover it like that. So I've been blending my porridge for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes and now it is smooth and now it is ready to serve. You can see it is ready. So now on to serving it. This porridge is very nutritious and very delicious. So I'm going to serve mine. Yeah, like that. And now I'm going just to decorate it a little bit. I'm going to add this groundnuts like that. And that is how I prepared my groundnut and cassava porridge. I'm sure you're going to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch others on my video. Until next time, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.